Hi, good morning. So, guys, so this time in previous tutorial, I have created a video for inserting using a variable in select statement and table insertion. So this time I created a Python script that will generate a CSV data and insert to SQL Server database. So let's start. First of all, I have created a script that name header generator. So I have used three library that would be CSV, sys, OS. Then CSV for CSV file manipulations, sys for uh, sys, sys std out. You can capture the output of the term and dump into a variable container or dictionary data dictionary or this one file. Then OS it will be uh, 46 and the entity 46 and it will be focus on stats and directory. So create header. I create a function create header based on a number of columns as parameter. Then it will be initialized by range number of specific range. Then it will be print uh, the string columns and the increment number. So example, I have the execution as for entire number of columns to be created. It will be five, five columns. So five, then it will be, generate five columns. Then after that, CSV writer. So I created a function CSV writer that will uh, generate CSV file that included the number of columns. And so by the way, W is for W, write or writer. Then it goes into UTF-8. Then insert a new line. So CSV file is considered a CSV file. Then CSV writer, the CSV file which the file that I create. Then right row is will be insert the per line. Then after that, the static main will be this the main function. So this is a header display. Then input parameter table name, the entertainment, then input number of column. After that, table name input parameter .csv it would be considered as CSV file. Then input table name .txt it was considered text file. Then after that, I initialize the output of this often text file writer as text file is std out the output of the terminal which is the output of this one printf. Then after that, it will be used as input parameter in this function generate a CSV. Then after that, the CSV file is considered um text file. Then the text file is will be initialized as CSV. So it will generate as text file and will generate as CSV to file. So this means remove the last character of comma. Okay. Yeah. So my text file or offend text file read then after that text file it will trim per line. Then I invoke into variable then split up the line all the comma for per line in this file text file. Then it will insert to CSV. This is the final file. Okay, let's try. Let's run the script. So enter the table name, sample table one, or we'll change it to table columns. Okay, then after that, and Hamburg chocolate 5. Okay, let's check the directory. So as you can see, there are two files in it. Table columns, text file, table columns, CSV. So let's check the table columns. So it create 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then after that, it once you open this table on CSV, it will be tabular. Okay. If you have a if you have a table, if you have already have a column name, just replace this one. Okay, just replace this one. Then after that, table name, go to SQL Server, then right click the database name, then task, import that file, then next, locate the table's name. This is the CSV file, table columns, open, next, next. By the way, you can change the data type based on your table format. Marker. This time I will create our marker marks. Marker marks. This is maximum length of marker. So maximum. So say marker 50. So marker is variable character. So we set to max. Next. Finish. Close. Refresh. Table. So this is a column now. Already make the two SQL Server. Okay. That's all. Have a nice day. And thank you. So stay tuned for more tutorial. And thank you all. Just email if you have any questions or interactions, or just email me gpam205@hotmail.com. Thank you.